Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question says, some sugar solution is taken in a test tube and a little of substance X in powder form is added to it. The mouth of test tube is closed with a cord and allowed to stand for some time. On opening the cord, a characteristic smell of substance Y is obtained and a gas Z is also observed to be formed. The gas Z extinguishes a burning matchstick. हमें इस इंफॉर्मेशन के बेसिस पे 3 सब क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना है. फर्स्ट सब क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट कुड बी x, y and z. सेकंड सब क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज दिस प्रोसेस of converting sugar into substance Y by the action of X known as. Sub question C is what type of respiration is exhibited by X in this process. तो सबसे पहले हम इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट लिखते हैं और इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है रेस्पिरेशन. अब हम इस क्वेश्चन में दी गई इंफॉर्मेशन को देखते हैं इन ऑर्डर टू आंसर ईच ऑफ दिस सब क्वेश्चन. इस क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि शुगर इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ एक्स इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ सब्सटेंस वाई एंड अ गैस जेड. और एक्स वाई का कैसा ऑर्डर है? इट हैज अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक स्मेल. Now, this equation looks more or less similar to equation in case of yeast. We know in respiration, glucose is converted into pyruvate. Pyruvate in absence of oxygen is converted into ethanol, which has a characteristic smell. Along with the gas carbon dioxide and some ATP molecules are released in this process. This generally occurs in an organism which is yeast. Now using this, let us answer each of these questions. तो पहला सब क्वेश्चन था what could be x, y and z. So the final answer to sub question A is x हमारा है yeast जो कि शुगर पर एक्ट करता है और देता है ethanol which has a characteristic smell. So y is ethanol. Z is a gas which is nothing but carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide when it comes in contact with burning matchstick, it extinguishes it. अब हम सब क्वेश्चन B का आंसर देते हैं. Now this process of converting sugar into alcohol by action of yeast is known as fermentation. So the final answer to sub question B is fermentation. अब हम सब क्वेश्चन सी का आंसर लिखते हैं. What type of respiration is exhibited by X in this process? So ये जो respiration in absence of oxygen होता है जिसे हम anaerobic respiration कहते हैं. तो anaerobic respiration is exhibited by yeast. So the final answer to question C is anaerobic respiration. Hope you understood this well. Best of luck.